Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the ANDFZ Smartwatch. It is a versatile and compact smartwatch that you can use in your daily life. It has a nice product packaging. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the packaging. Inside the box, you will find one ANDFZ Smartwatch, packed nicely in the foam protective slot. Also included is a user guide, along with a fabric strap, a charging dock to charge up the smartwatch, and a metallic strap, so users like me can alternate between having a fabric strap, leather strap of metallic strap, which is interchangeable on the watch. All packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the smartwatch feels good, solid and durable. Let's peel off the protective film first. As you see, design-wise, the watch looks really modern and sleek. At the back, you will find a heart rate scanner for health measurements. The overall body of the smartwatch is made of a metal enclosure, which feels to be of high quality. Premium feel. The ANDFZ Smartwatch is available in different colors, mainly in brown, pink and black tones, each tone with its own unique design color. Let's proceed to power it up. I can use the scroll wheel at the side to interchange between different watch themes. The designs are very cool and fun. Look at how versatile it looks in different styles. The screen is bright and clear, has a good high resolution to it. There are different variety of apps available on the watch, like music, voice assistant, contacts etc. Scroll down on the home page to access the quick access drop-down menu. To adjust brightness, access the settings page, amongst other options for quick access. Now, I will try to change between the different watch straps available on the smartwatch. Just unlatch the straps on both ends. Select a type to interchange to and latch it on. It latches on easily. Looks pretty good with the metallic strap. Change to the fabric strap for a more sporty look. The leather strap in my opinion is my favorite, feels soft and comfortable to wear on. There is a feature called Watch Wakes Up when I point it towards my face. Pretty useful. To charge up, it is simple, just place the watch on the charging dock, and plug it into a USB power socket, to charge up the 300 mAh battery which can last for around 7 days on a full charge. I will now download the app to sync my phone to the smartwatch. The app is available on the App Store. All I have to do is download it. Once downloaded, set it up and sync to it via Bluetooth. On app, I can monitor my health. With readings recorded onto the app, it measures my heart rate real time. It also can measure blood pressure readings on it too. Blood oxygen levels are measurable too on the smartwatch, making it a smartwatch that I can use to monitor my health. Other smart features like drink reminder and activity reminder can be activated to remind you to perform such tasks to promote healthy living. I can press the quick sport mode button on the right of the watch to launch the sport mode library, where I can select from 19 different sport modes like basketball, cycling, walking and many more to monitor my pace and health during such activities. The watch also can make calls as it has a speaker and mic built into it. Overall, I find the ANDFZ Smartwatch a good option for me to monitor my health and fitness during use. It is also IP67 waterproof so I can wear it in the rain, or while performing water sports. If you want to know more about this smartwatch, check out the link in description for more details. Thank you for watching.